H-20 is a natural craft reinforced water-activated tape designed to securely close boxes 25 pounds or less. H-20 is constructed with 2 sheets of high-strength virgin craft paper. The papers are joined together, encapsulating 3-way fiberglass reinforcement. The product has a water-activated gummed adhesive made from cornstarch on one side. When properly applied, H-20 forms a permanent bond with the corrugated box. H-20 is one of our most popular grades. Holland stocks several sizes. Custom sizes are also available. Like all of our water-activated tapes, H-20 is printable. Holland can supply up to 6-color printing to make your H-20 reinforced tape reflect and promote your brand. For success in applying H-20, we'll include links to our tutorial videos on proper application methods. Holland is proud to manufacture reinforced water-activated tape in the United States. Regardless of your location, we can reach you with our network of distributors and global converting partners.